Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. In our previous class, we learned the addition and subtraction of algebra. Today our topic is multiplication and division in algebra. So let's start. Here you can see I have two algebraic functions 6ab and 2ac. So when we multiply 6ab by 2ac, at first we shall multiply the numerical terms. Here numerical terms are 6 and 2. So 6 multiplied by 2 gives us 12. Next we shall find the same later expression. Here both have a, so next is a square and after that b and c. So 6ab into 2ac is equal to 12a square bc. Coming to second example, minus 3ab into minus 2bc. So first we shall multiply the signs. So minus into minus is equal to plus, you all know. So the resulting number will be a positive number. Next, the numerical terms 3 and 2. 3 into 2 equals 6. Here a is only in 3ab, so a will be remain as usual, and next b square and c. So minus 3ab into minus 2bc is equal to 6a b square c. Coming to another example, minus 2a into 3ab into 2b. So the work will be from left to right. We first multiply the two terms which are in the left side. So minus 2a into 3ab is equal to minus 6a square b, and the 2b remain as usual. In the next line we shall multiply minus 6a square b into 2b, and the resulting number is minus 12a square b square. Now let's multiply a polynomial by a polynomial. You can see the first example, a plus b into 2a plus 3b. That means a into 2a plus 3b plus b into 2a plus 3b. Next we shall multiply a with 2a and a with 3b. That means 2a square plus 3ab, and after that b into 2a plus b into 3b, that means 2ab plus 3b square. Next we simplify it and shall get the answer 2a square plus 5ab plus 3b square. Similarly, x minus 2y into 3x minus 5y is equals x into 3x minus 5y and minus 2y into 3x minus 5y, and this is equal to 3x square minus 5xy minus 6xy plus 10y square, and finally 3x square minus 11xy plus 10y square. Similarly, the second example, 4x plus 8 into 3x cube minus x plus 1. Hope this example is very clear to you. So this was what about multiplication in algebra. Next, coming to the division in algebra. Here you can see 6a square b is divided by minus 2ab square. 6a square b means 6 into a into b, and minus 2ab square means minus 2 into a into b into b. So first we shall work on the numerical terms. So 6 divided by -2 is equals -3, we all know. On the next, both a on the upper and on the down will be cancelled, and we shall get -3a, and in the same case in b, both the upper and lower b will be cancelled, and the final answer is -3a by b. Coming to another example, 15x square y to the power 4 by 5x y to the power 6. Similarly, 15 by 5 is equal 3, and x square by x is equals x, and on the other hand y to the power 4 by y to the power 6 gives us 3x by y square. Now dividing a polynomial by a monomial. Here you can see the first example, 4x square plus 5x. We have to divide it by 2x. So first, 4x square plus 5x divided by 2x means both the terms will be divided by 2x. That means 4x square divided by 2x plus 5x divided by 2x. Now 4x square by 2x is equals 2x, and 5x by 2x is equals 5 by 2 as both the x are cancelled. So the final answer is 2x plus 5 by 2. Coming to the second example, 8a square b cube c plus 4ab square c square minus 6abc divided by minus 2a square bc. So all the three terms will be divided by minus 2a square bc. So dividing 8a square b cube c by minus 2a square bc, we shall get minus 4b square. Similarly, 4ab square c square divided by minus 2a square bc is equals minus 2bc by a, and minus 6abc divided by minus 2a square bc will give plus 3 by a. Hope the process of division is clear. Next, we shall divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Here 6x square plus 19x plus 10 divided by 3x plus 2. So first we set the expression like the division as usual. You can see the step 1. Next, step 2. In step 2, we shall divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. Here first term of the dividend is 6x square and first term of the divisor is 3x. So 6x square by 3x gives us 2x. So we shall take the quotient 2x and multiply whole the divisor 3x plus 2 by 2x. So multiplying 3x plus 2 by 2x, we shall get 6x square plus 4x. Now subtracting 6x square plus 4x from 6x square minus 19x, we shall get 15x, as both the 6x square will be cancelled. Now we shall take the next term plus 10 down. In the next step, similarly, we shall divide 15x by 3x. 15x plus 3 by 3x gives us 5. So, our next quotient is plus 5. We shall multiply 3x plus 2 by plus 5 and get 15x plus 10. So, all the terms will be cancelled and the final answer is 2x plus 5. That means 6x square plus 19x plus 10 divided by 3x plus 2 gives us 2x plus 5. This was all about the division. Hope all the processes are clear to you. That's all today.